Two cars start from two towns that are 300 km apart and move towards each other. Car A travels at 50 km per hour and car B travels at 70 km per hour. At what time they will meet? So let us put it down in representation here. So let this be the point where the car A starts, we call it as A, and let this be the point where car B starts. Now the given distance between these two, that is the distance between the two towns, is 300 km. Now it is said that after certain amount of time the two cars meet. So that means the distance traveled by both the car might be different. Obviously it is different, but the time traveled by both the car is same, and this would be the basis of our equation. So let the car A travel a distance of d where the two cars meet. Hence the distance traveled by the car B would be 300 minus d. Now we know the formula of speed is distance divided by time. Hence time would be is equals to distance by speed. Let the time taken by car A be is equals to t car A, which would be equals to time taken by the car B. I don't need to give an implied here. Now implied distance which is traveled by the car A is d at a speed of 50 km per hour. So d kilometer divided by 50 km per hour. Now the distance traveled by the car B in that same amount of time is 300 minus d, which if divided by 70 would give us the time. This 0 and 0 would cancel out, and I can write 7d is equals to 5 into 300 minus d. Hence 7d is equals to 5 into 300 is 1500 minus 5d equals to 7d plus 5d will be 12d equals to 1500, which if we simplify 1500 divided by 12, if I cancel it by 3 to simplify it, 3 divided by 12 is 4 and 3 divided by 5 is 15, so I can write 500 divided by 4. Now 5 into 12 is 48, so here I can write 12, or rather you can do it in more simple way. 5 divided by 4 is 1, then 1 would be the remainder, then it would be 2 if it is if 10 is divided by 4, and then again 2 is a remainder. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Hence the distance traveled is 125 km, after which they are meeting. Now the question asks us after what time they will meet. So the time would be is equals to, either we can take t car A or t car B, which is equal. So let us take t car A, that is t car A equals to 125 divided by 50. Now I can simplify it whenever there is a 50 or something like that, or for example 5, try to multiply it by 2, then your equations become easy in competitive exams. So 50 into 2 is 100. So 125 into 2 is 250 and 50 into 2 is 100. We can write this as 2.5 hours. Hence 2.5 hours is our final answer. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this.